Hey there. If you're watching this, chances are you're dealing with those pesky drain flies buzzing around your home. Don't worry, you're not alone. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to eliminate drain flies. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, fly-free home. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the source. First things first, you need to identify where these flies are coming from. Drain flies typically breed in drains, hence their name. To find the source, cover your drains with a piece of clear tape, sticky side down, and leave it overnight. If you see flies stuck to the tape the next day, you found the breeding ground. Step 2. Clean the drains. Once you've identified the source, it's time to clean your drains. Drain flies lay their eggs in the organic matter that builds up inside your pipes, so you need to get rid of it. Here's how. Boiling water. Start by pouring a pot of boiling water down the drain. This will help to dislodge some of the gunk. Drain cleaner. Next, use a drain cleaner to break down any organic matter. You can use a commercial drain cleaner or a natural one made from baking soda and vinegar. Simply pour a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, then flush with hot water. Scrubbing. For a deeper clean, use a drain brush. These are long, flexible brushes designed to scrub the insides of your pipes. Insert the brush into the drain and scrub vigorously to remove any remaining gunk. Step 3. Use enzyme cleaners. After cleaning the drains, you'll want to use an enzyme cleaner. These cleaners contain natural enzymes that break down organic matter over time, preventing drain flies from coming back. Pour the enzyme cleaner down the drain according to the instructions on the bottle. It's best to do this at night when the sink or shower won't be used for several hours. Step 4. Eliminate breeding sites. While drains are the most common breeding sites, drain flies can also breed in other areas with standing water. Check these spots. P-traps. These are the U-shaped pipes under your sinks. If water is standing in the P-trap, clean it out. Under appliances. Look for standing water under appliances like refrigerators and dishwashers. Sump pumps and septic tanks. If you have these in your home, make sure they're clean and not harboring any standing water. Step 5. Prevent future infestations. Now that you've cleaned and treated the immediate problem, it's important to prevent future infestations. Here are some tips. Regular cleaning. Make it a habit to clean your drains regularly. Using boiling water and enzyme cleaners once a month can help keep the pipes clean. Fix leaks. Ensure there are no leaks in your plumbing. Standing water from leaks can attract drain flies. Proper ventilation. Keep your home well ventilated to reduce humidity. Drain flies thrive in damp environments. I hope these steps help you eliminate those annoying drain flies for good. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching.